Hadir kajik bi kubor baka sadar kajik pasage kajik warra Umphniang kali Shakajala Meghalaya nabar kajik jah hamukro na kaliang Tnad Pulit jokoni boy district kalashe be kajik kle badbhar ka Kynhun escort yaki kali kin Umphniang naru jarabat shakaleng kale ki jaka jong ka Meghalaya Habai kren Meghalaya pathai kubor joint secretary joka petroleum dealers association usanchet surekha ulong baka jik pasange barwan rap petrol bat diesel na Assam Kadena bar kajia ki hakikat tu ni ki benta jo kajala Meghalaya kabala barwan ra kaji shongs ear ya ki ni ki kali kit Umphniang badi ki nong nya jong ki ulo ang bahadir baka Tnad Pulit kala ai kaji kit kli ban escort la de ban sendra ni ki kali kit Umphniang ka association kala sedang biang ban pha ya ki Umphniang sha kajala Meghalaya ban kala pat paru kaji sko e Tnad Pulit badi ka sarkar jala jong ka Meghalaya.
Since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government that they'll be providing police escort, so today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed. And the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorabat, and they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Umphniang and the SP sir from Rivoy for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue.